Small Blue Diamond Unit 4, Climate of State. Question 1. What is the variation in the state's surface texture called? Answer, terrain. Question 2. Which landform is mentioned along with ground? Answer, plateau. Question 3. What natural feature affects the climate? Answer, surface. Question 4. What do we feel during summer? Answer, heat. Question 5. What do we feel during winter? Answer, cold. Question 6. What sometimes falls heavily from the sky? Answer, rain. Question 7. What blows strongly in certain weather? Answer, wind. Question 8. What can vary several times in a single day? Answer, weather. Question 9. What is the name for short-time atmospheric condition? Answer, weather. Question 10. What lasts for about 3 to 4 months? Answer, season. Question 11. What is summer an example of? Answer, season. Question 12. What is rain an example of? Answer, season. Question 13. What is winter an example of? Answer, season. Question 14. What is the yearly pattern of weather conditions called? Answer, climate. Question 15. What includes heat, rain, and cold in yearly rotation? Answer, climate. Question 16. What feature causes climate variation? Answer, terrain. Question 17. What do we feel during rainfall? Answer, wetness. Question 18. What do strong winds sometimes bring? Answer, storm. Question 19. What term refers to momentary climate condition? Answer, weather. Question 20. What continues in a cycle every year? Answer, climate. Small Blue Diamond climate elements and seasons. Question 21. What is climate made up of? Answer, water. Question 22. What is the second word used to describe climate? Answer, air. Question 23. What does water refer to in climate? Answer, rainfall. Question 24. What does air refer to in climate? Answer, temperature. Question 25. On what basis can we study climate? Answer, seasons. Question 26. How many seasons are there in our country? Answer, 6. Question 27. How many seasons are there in our state? Answer, 3. Question 28. Which season is known for cold weather? Answer, winter. Question 29. Which season is known for hot weather? Answer, summer. Question 30. Which season brings rainfall? Answer, rainy. Question 31. What is one of the main seasons in our state? Answer, winter. Question 32. What is the second main season in our state? Answer, summer. Question 33. What is the third main season in our state? Answer, rainy. Small Blue Diamond winter season. Question 34. In which month does winter begin? Answer, November. Question 35. Which season starts in November? Answer, winter. Question 36. In which 2 months is the cold most severe? Answer, December. Question 37. Which is the second coldest month of winter? Answer, January. Question 38. What do people do to save themselves from cold during the day? Answer, basking. Question 39. What do people burn in the evening to get warmth? Answer, fire. Question 40. What type of clothes are worn in winter? Answer, woolen. Question 41. What kind of wind blows during winter? Answer, cold. Question 42. What falls along with fog in winter? Answer, frost. Question 43. What damages crops in winter? Answer, fog. Question 44. What else causes harm besides fog in winter? Answer, frost. Question 45. What is damaged by fog and frost? Answer, crops. Question 46. What natural condition harms animals in winter? Answer, cold wave. Question 47. Which state experiences snowfall in winter? Answer, Uttarakhand. Question 48. What causes extreme cold in plains during winter? Answer, snowfall. Question 49. What kind of rain occurs occasionally in winter? Answer, showers. Question 50. Which crops yield increases due to winter rain? Answer, Rabi. Question 51. What increases the Rabi crop yield? Answer, rainfall. Question 52. By which month does winter start to decline? Answer, February. Question 53. By which festival does the winter season usually end? Answer, Holi. Small blue diamond summer season. Question 54. In which month does summer season begin? Answer, March. Question 55. Which season starts in March? Answer, summer. Question 56. In which month is there tremendous heat? Answer, May. Question 57. Which is another month of extreme heat? Answer, June. Question 58. What kind of winds blow in summer? Answer, hot. Question 59. What are the hot summer winds called? Answer, Lu. Question 60. During which part of the day is it hard to go outside? Answer, afternoon. Question 61. What becomes difficult in summer afternoons? Answer, outing. Question 62. Which areas start heating up in summer? Answer, plains. Question 63. What kind of land heats up besides plains? Answer, plateau. Question 64. What other regions get hot in summer? Answer, lowlands. Question 65. Which parts of Uttarakhand stay cool in summer? Answer, hills. Question 66. What is the weather like in Uttarakhand mountains during summer? Answer, pleasant. Question 67. Where do people go in summer to escape heat? Answer, hills. Question 68. Which province's mountains remain cool in summer? Answer, Uttarakhand. Question 69. What is the temperature like in Uttarakhand hills during summer? Answer, cool. Question 70. Why do people visit mountains in summer? Answer, coolness. Small blue diamond rainy season. Question 71. From which month does the weather start changing? Answer, June. Question 72. By the end of which month do monsoon winds arrive? Answer, June. Question 73. From where do the monsoon winds rise? Answer, Bay of Bengal. Question 74. What do the monsoon winds bring? Answer, rain. Question 75. Which parts receive more rainfall? Answer, peripheral. Question 76. From which other sea do monsoon winds come? Answer, Arabian Sea. Question 77. Which direction gets rain due to Arabian winds? Answer, west. Question 78. Which other part gets rain from Arabian winds? Answer, south. Question 79. Where do these winds cause rain in the state? Answer, lowlands. Question 80. What type of rainfall occurs in northern plains? Answer, moderate. Question 81. Where is rainfall less in the state? Answer, plateau. Question 82. In which 2 months is rainfall highest? Answer, July. Question 83. Which is the second month of heavy rainfall? Answer, August. Question 84. In which 2 months is rainfall less? Answer, September. Question 85. Which is the last month mentioned with less rainfall? Answer, October. Small blue diamond effects of rainfall. Question 86. What natural disaster can occur due to excessive rainfall? Answer, flood. Question 87. What happens to life during a flood? Answer, disturbed. Question 88. What sometimes decreases during the rainy season? Answer, rainfall. Question 89. What condition can happen due to less rainfall? Answer, drought. Question 90. What decreases with dryness? Answer, greenery. Question 91. What increases when greenery returns? Answer, joy. Question 92. What brings happiness during rainy season? Answer, bloom. Question 93. What do farmers sow during the rainy season? Answer, kharif. Question 94. Who gets busy sowing during the rainy season? Answer, farmers. Question 95. Which crops are sown in the rainy season? Answer, kharif. Small blue diamond impact and utility of rain. Question 96. Who gets facilities due to rain? Answer, farmers. Question 97. What increases due to rainfall? Answer, yield. Question 98. On what is agriculture based in areas without irrigation? Answer, rain. Question 99. What gets relief due to rainfall? Answer, flora. Question 100. What else gets relief besides flora? Answer, fauna. Question 101. What is collected in rivers and ponds during rain? Answer, water. Question 102. Where is rainwater stored? Answer, ponds. Question 103. What does collected rainwater prevent? Answer, shortage. Question 104. What kind of weather is given by nature? Answer, pleasant. Question 105. What does the weather affect apart from people? Answer, plants. Question 106. What does the weather also affect besides plants? Answer, people. Question 107. What does rain solve throughout the year? Answer, shortage. Question 108. Where does rainwater get stored apart from ponds? Answer, rivers. Question 109. What part of nature gives pleasant weather? Answer, climate. Question 110. What region has pleasant weather? Answer, Uttar Pradesh.